I had a problem. We just bought new, thick, soft carpeting. And my Dyson Vacuum would not work because it's too thick or something. So it's really tough to push through it. The suction is too hard, so I've come up with a solution. So what happens is this suction just sucks up all the carpet, so there's no other air coming through. So you need to kind of relieve the suction power, and I've done that by drilling in holes. So you'll see if I can hold the camera in. So just drill in holes on the side like this. You may want to take out the brushes so you don't hurt those. You can do that by doing this. So now when you drill through, you're not hitting anything else. So, and basically what you're doing is when the carpet gets sucked up by the Dyson down here, you're giving some air ventilation here so you can still push through, but it's still doing its job because, you know, dirt and stuff. And actually some dirt can come up through here too, the surface stuff, but that way it kind of just relieves all the suction power. So that's what I'm doing. We'll see how it goes.